I am Hitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW and Multisim. In this session, we will discuss about the array function palette. So it is a 10th number video of our LabVIEW tutorial lecture series. In this session, we will discuss about the array function palette. So let's start today's session. Whenever you will come into the block diagram and you will click on the block diagram, so on the first row, second column, you will get array function palette. So in this array function palette, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 and 30, near about 30 different functions. So we will discuss, already we had discussed about this initialize array and build array. So in this session, I will try to explain array size, index array, minimum maximum array. After that, search 1D array, rotate 1D array, and reverse 1D array. So let's go ahead. Come here, right click, create an array. Now you know very well it is an index. Index means represent the start location of our array. Always you will get array like this. That means if your index value is 0, that means your this visible location, your this visible numbers location. Suppose I will write 3. That means where okay, the 3 is available on the 0th number location. I can increase the size, I can increase the number, and I can write any number here. Whenever times come to count the array size means how many number of elements are present. Array size means how many numbers or how many elements are present on the array. So for that, right click, you can use this array size function. Right click, come to the array, take array size, and you can place here array. Using these functions, you can count the array size. Let's run the program. Now the array size is 5. Here I am going to increase the array size. The start location, let's count the indexing. The starting index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the array size count will start from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I will write something, so array size will increase. So index count is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the array size is 6. If it is clear now, so this array count logic will work with all the array. Means it will be same for the numeric array, same for the string and boolean, it will be same. Suppose there is a 2 dimensions array. If I will increase the size and write some numbers here. Let's see, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Okay, suppose this is my this much data I had inserted. So now you can see here the array size. Now you can see here if you will try to count the array size, or you will try to get the array size, so for that your one indicator box is not enough. Why it's not enough? Because in this two dimension array, you can see here that two columns. Look at here. If here I will write 1 and 1, 1 and 1. So now you can see it will show you the 1 cross 1 location value. Let's discuss again. The static index value for this array is 0 cross 0. This is 0 cross 0, 1 cross 0, 2 cross 0, 3 cross 0, 4 cross 0. It is 0 cross 1, 1 cross 1, 2 cross 1, 3 1, 4 1. So always count will start from the 0. Sorry, always the index will start from the 0, but count will start from the 1. That's why the output of your array will come into the two numbers. And now you can see the array size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 cross 6. And this logic is same for each and every type of array. Let's go into the previous condition. Now array size function is clear. Later we will see how we can use the array size. Okay. Now here the reverse 1D array. Suppose you want to reverse your array, so you can use these functions. So when you will right click in the array, you will get reverse 1D array. So you can easily connect this function and you can easily reverse your one dimension array. If you want, so I can show you some example for the reverse one dimension array. It's reverse one dimension array. Reverse one dimension array. Let's take example. First, right click, come here, take a string path, string, right click, come here, take a string. Here I am going to write my name, Nitesh, Nitesh. Right click, come into the string path array. Now you can see here string array path. Right click on the block diagram, come into the string, click here and take string to byte array functions. This string to byte array function will give you the ASCII characters of your ASCII number. This will give you the binary number of your ASCII characters. Now let's expand and run. So for the capital N it is a 78, capital I it is 73, and so on. Let's use this reverse 1D array. After that you can see here the output is just reverse. Now if I will come into the string, I will come in, okay, you can come into this string array path, take the bit array to string again, and let's try to convert it into the string. Run. Now you can see these are the completely reverse. The my name is also reverse. Why? Because first of all, I convert my name characters into the ASCII value. I I reverse my array. After the reversing array, I convert into the byte array. Right? Great. Now let's go to the another example. Search 1D array. Now in search 1D array, I want to search my numbers. Suppose I want to search some number from my database. Now it's not array, it's my database. Chalo, let's write database. Data, sorry, BAC base. Database. Now press Ctrl H and click the search 1D array functions. You will know if your element is present in this 1D array. So this function will return you the location. This function will return you. If your element is present on the 1D array or on the database, so it will return you the index of that element. If the number is not present, so it will return you the -1. Let's see if 0 is present. So now you can see 0 is not present. You can see it's working. 0 is not present. That's why it's written the location -1. Suppose -1 is present. Yes, in the index number 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the fifth number location, okay, in the fifth number location, the value -1 is present. Suppose if I want to measure the value 3, so 3 is present on the location 0. Now you can see 3 is present on the location 0. 3 is present on the location 0. It will give you the first value. It will give you the first value. 3 is present on location 1 and location location 0 and location 1, but the output is location 1. Suppose I want to measure the 4, so yes, 4 is present on location 2, 1 is present on the location 3. Now if I will pass it, yes, I can do. Later we will discuss it. Clear? So using this way you can search your particular elements are present or not on your database. You can easily search. Now let's come into the minimum and maximum functions. Here it's minimum and maximum functions. Click here, open the label, press Ctrl H and click. Now the first one will give you the maximum value and his index, and third one will give you the output, okay, bar minimum value numbers and his indexing. So the maximum value and maximum value index for the maximum value, right? The minimum value and the index for the minimum value. Run the program. So maximum, okay. So now my maximum value is 6 and minimum value is -1. The index of my maximum value is 4 and the index of my minimum value is 5. Now the most interesting function is index array. Right click, come here, open the label. In using this index array, you can direct target to that element. Using this index array, you can direct target to the particular element or search. Now, when index value, so now the index value is 0. So you can see here the index value 0 means this is for the database index value is 0. So in this 0th location the value 3 is present. In the first location the value 3 is present. In the second location the value 4. Third location value sorry, yes, 1 is present. Fifth location, sorry, fourth location value 6 and fifth location value 5 and in the sixth location value 0. Clear? Using this index array, we can directly target to the location and we can get the proper element. We can directly go to the, we can direct target to the index and get the particular element. Clear? Now the interesting things will come if I will increase the size. Now you can see here it is my 2 dimensions array. Now the magic will happen. When I will drag it, delete this one, right click, come here, take index value. Now in this condition you can see in this index array there is only 2 input. One is for the array and another one is for the index. But whenever you will connect this index array with the database or your array, automatically two indexing will enable. Means second indexing will enable and it will show you the information. Now index for row, index for column. So what is the beauty of index for row? I am going to take index row only, create control. If I will take our index row and create indicator, so it will give me a one sub array. Let's see the beauty of sub array is now I am only going to target the row the program run. In the 0th row you will get this data 3 3 4 1 6 minus 1. In the first row you will get this data. In the second row you will get this data and in the fourth row you will get this data. In the okay, so 0th row you will get data. In the first row you will get data. In the second, in the third, in the fourth row you will not get any data because there is no data. It's clear? Now just keep it 4 2. Right click, come here, take an index array and place here. Now you can see only 2 input and index is available. When you will connect it, so it will give you the disable index, index 0, index for column, index for row. Here I am going to take the value for index column. Now take index for column and create an indicator sub array. So this is a sub array. sub-array for column. Using this, we can target the column. Run the program. In the 0th column, 3, 3, 2, 1 is present. Now you can see, only you have to see on this location. If I will change it into the 1, so 3690 in the second location, in 4825, and after that in the third number column 1000. Fourth, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 7. Okay, means fifth. Sorry, yes, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. Now, the last and one more important thing, you can see here in this experiment, in this portion, in the above portion, I am targeting only the row, and in this portion, I am targeting only the column. Let's see what will happen if I will target row and column both. Create control for row and create control for column. Now you will get element. Now you will get element. Now you will get element. Run the program and let's see only in this one. If the location is 0, if the column is 0 and index is 0, 0 cross 0, so value is 3. Suppose it is 1 cross 1. In the 1 cross 1 value is 6. 2 cross 2 value is 2. 2 cross 1 value is 9. 2 cross 1 means 0, 1, 2. Second row and first column. Now you can see, if you will use index row and column, so that means you can target both. You are targeting both index and column and you will get a single element. But one beautiful concept which I want to explain, you no need to take this free index array functions. Just take index array function once and then drag it. Same functions or same task you can do using by this drag and drop. If you want, so you can practice and you can learn. In future, I will explain. In future, we will use all this logic on the various example. Now, rest like a replace subset, insert into array, delete from the array subset. We will discuss later. Now here I am going to delete this one. I am going to delete all these functions. Press Ctrl B, right click, come into the array, and there is transpose 2D array functions. Take the transpose 2D array functions. Make a connection and indicators. It will transpose your complete data, x to y and y to x. So now the array size will be a right. Now the row size will be a column size and column will be a row. So thank you for watching this video. I know this array related videos are very short, but it needs time to understand each and every concepts. Thank you for watching this video.